Who's ready for D1 Baney? Okay. So, D1 is coming up to talk about defining your customer avatar. And in his heyday, in self-publishing, he was doing over $15,000 a month by understanding customer avatar and how to solve 100 problems for them, thus selling them 100 books. He was a thought leader back then, and the methods he used continue to help and serve the community to this day. I've had the chance to work with D1 on a professional level for over a year, and I've never met somebody who understands what or how to define your customer avatar better than D1. He's created 7-figure business on this concept alone, and he's here to talk about how you can use it in your publishing business today. Mr. D1 Baney.
First, I have to do this. Hold on. I have to, right? Nobody else did it. Okay, hold on. Everybody get in there. Hands up. Come on, look happy. Look happy. Ew. Done. Okay, so 2 things. A, I've got nothing for sale, so put away your checkbook. Second, I want to do this more interactive. So my job is to ask you guys questions that you haven't asked yourself before, basically. By the way, I need all the clickers here. When I met Emeka, I think the biggest breakthrough for you, Emeka, was the question of how to make $10,000 in 1 hour. And from talking to most of you guys, the biggest issue is you actually don't know who you're selling to, and that's why you guys are having scaling problems. So when Emeka asked me what I could talk about, defining customer avatar, I think was the biggest thing. So just quickly, today's outcome, understanding the power of buyer intent, niche domination strategy, which we'll talk about a bit later, creating raving fans, the ability to scale rapidly, and then ultimately, this is the big thing. It's how to confidently sell a high-ticket offer. Most of you guys are focused on the front end only, and that is the biggest issue for scaling your guys' businesses. So just quickly, I have to do this in my background. Last couple of years, 1.5 million YouTube views. I run a marketing agency, 125, I think it's more like 150 bucks. And yeah, so I've done 7 figures in revenue. The best part is I am not working hard, I'm working smart. A lot of you guys that have dealt with me already in the last day, I don't believe in selling, I believe in pull marketing. I believe in pulling people in, allowing them to create a buyer decision, and if they're ready to work with me, then they'll work with me. And that's exactly what I want to have built for your guys' businesses. Okay, so everybody get a pen and paper out. This is going to be the entire core of the rest of the weekend for me. It's understanding who, understanding what, and then understanding how. Ollie, you put it so right. People love to buy, they hate being sold to. And I want to talk about the Lamborghini effect, or maybe in this case, the M5 effect. Hey, Emeka? Let me ask you guys a question. When you go, you put the Lamborghini up there, does a Lamborghini salesperson sell you a Lamborghini, or do you go into the dealership and buy it? Emeka, how long have you wanted that M5 for? Have you researched, do you know how fast the car is?
Yeah, 320 with the driver's package.
How much horsepower does it have?
They advertise 600, but it's actually closer to 650.
Okay. Do you know what color you want?
Yeah. Right up blue.
Do you know the monthly payments?
Talking to a guy at the dealership.
Approximately?
Approximately, it'll be around 25.
A month. If I could get you a car at $2,000 a month right now, would you buy it?
Wife's not here.
I know she's not here. Yeah, that's why I'm saying it. Did you do all that research yourself?
Yeah.
What's the background on your computer? So nobody had to sell Emeka. When you spend that $2,500, are you going to be super excited? Right? If I told you that your VA was $2,500 a month, would you be excited? Was booking this room exciting when you had to see how much it was?
No, but then I got here and I was like, these guys are so worth it.
Well, they're super worth it, 100%. But the $2,500 a month spend is not the issue. It is how the customer is set up getting ready to buy. That M5 is something that you want. You're striving for it. You're emotionally invested. So why is your business not like that? Right? I don't want you guys selling Honda Civics. I want you selling Lamborghinis. I want you Like creating that buyer that's so excited to work with you. It's no different than me coming down and speaking to you guys. I didn't sell anything to you guys. You guys got excited to come see me, right? So it's changing that buyer dynamic, and that's what I want you guys to think about. Okay, so why even bother with your customer avatar? So a lot of you guys are just saying, hey, I'm gonna sell to a market. What you're really looking for is your ideal, perfect client. And I don't think anybody in the room has that nailed. Emeka, maybe you do. Emeka, quickly, can you make a comment about why I beat you up over the M5, specifically about your customer avatar? Because it's important.
Because I was trying to go after a market that I wasn't able to relate to because I didn't understand who my customer.
Right, so you chose the wrong market. Like, other than the twins, how many people here are under 25 years old? One. If he bought an M5, would that change your mind in terms of coming here or not? Not at all, right? Anybody else that bought VIP tickets, even if you bought a Lamborghini tomorrow, would that change your mind? So why even bother worrying about that type of thing, right? So this is the mindset. So what I want to ask you guys is quickly write down who is the person that would be your perfect ideal client? The person that will spend the most money with you, will spend the longest time with you, and the biggest thing is largest result. Who can you impact the largest? The money becomes extremely easy. So Emeka, as an example, his core product is 0 to 1,000. But there's people in the room now doing $10,000 a month. A lot of these people will end up, hopefully I would hope, Emeka, working with you for a year or 2 years or 3 years. Emeka, when are you going to fire me?
Stop giving me value.
When I stop giving you value. You went from broke, we'll just call it broke,
Let's call it 100% broke.
to $30,000 a month. Was it techniques that I gave you that changed everything? Not really. It was my commitment to you to transform your life. That's all it was. Do you want to work with my SEO agency? I won't let you, right? Because I don't think you're not ready for it, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? I'm interested in acquiring a client for life. And this is the difference between having a publishing business and a real business. So the question you guys have to ask yourself is, what could you sell to somebody in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years? Who's gonna spend more money with you? The problem with a lot of the publishers, they're selling a $2.99 ebook and then just kind of leaving that client alone. How many of you guys have an email list for your publishing business? So like less than 10%. Less than 10%. Okay, so the customer problem path. This is what I want you guys, and I just fell off here, hold on. Do you guys have a list of this? Your top 30 questions or your top 30 problems within your niche? Is this written down anywhere in your guys' business? These people are ready to buy. These are the questions that people are asking. This is the only thing that matters in your business, are these questions. It's knowing the hot buttons. That's why it's very easy for me, like, we were in the pool. I know what your guys' hot buttons are already. This is all I look at. This is all I look at. This is the core of my entire business. I've picked the who. For me, it's 7-figure business owners spending $20,000 to $30,000 a month in advertising. That's my core demographic. Those people understand the value of money. It's very easy for me to sell a $10,000 a month package because I understand the problems. They're too busy. They don't want to learn digital marketing because it's a fast-paced industry, and they're looking for a trusted advisor. I step in, I understand those core problems. I'm not selling. I already know what the answer is going to be because I understand my core avatar at a deep, deep level. So the question now I'm going to ask you guys is, how well do you know your customer? Probably not, right? Really, truthfully. Now, this is the thing that I've been working with Emeka on, and it's the probable problem path. And it's the chronological way they would ask the questions. So, I don't know, we'll use this in Emeka, you're a great example. So, when you launched your course, what's the #1 issue with publishers? The first thing, I don't know the niche. What niche do I get into? Right? Niche research seems to be a hot one. Then next one is what? Keywords. Then maybe it's the technical aspects, like how to upload the book, or how to find my first writer. So if you're creating content, you're creating books, understand the problems that people are going through. if you're doing like a weight loss niche as an example, if the end goal is to lose 30 pounds, maybe the first problem is what exercises should I even do, right? Like, should I join CrossFit? Should I go and join Muay Thai? Like, people are thinking about selling a weight loss book. That's not the issue. The issue is actually capturing that lead while they're having these questions go through their brains. If you know what these questions are and you know the chronological order that they're going through, the selling becomes so easy. It feels like you're reading their mind. Emeka, your VA thing that you have, you know that most people in this room are serious. You professed it that they have to have at minimum, 5 books a month they're publishing? At minimum 10 books, right? 10 total, right. How many books do you guys say you're publishing? 60? Yeah, 60. What's your guys' biggest problem right now? Fulfilling those 60 books. You guys took your phone out and bought right there. Because Emeka understood that for most people that have a big publishing business, the staff is the next problem. It was such an easy no-brainer. Like, the first bullet point, you guys were already saying how much. Right? Once that's built, what's the next step going to be? Probably how to scale your business past that, right? Okay, so let's get back to what problems you can solve. So this is kind of the methodology. So the who, so pick your ideal customer. So in my case, again, 7-figure business owners already spending $30,000 a month in ad spend. The next question, and this is where you guys are going to be stuck, I think, the rest of the weekend, is what problems you can solve. So this is a publishing event, but the real question is what transformation can you deliver? Publishing is just one element of that. It's the question of what's next. In weight loss, it could be a video course. It could be kind of a back-end product, but that's not what I want to get to. It's just what problem can I solve instead of what modality can I solve it with. Most people are just saying, hey, I just want to publish some books. That's the wrong way of looking at it. It's what are my customers' core questions? What are their core problems? And what am I comfortable delivering? Again, because I'm experienced in the digital marketing world, I'm comfortable selling $10,000 because I can deliver $10,000 worth of value. A lot of people in the room, that's just outside of their comfort zone. That's okay. But the question still is, what problems can you solve? And then ultimately, this is the big one. How can you solve it? It may not be a book. I've seen businesses that have 10 books on the front end that are doing 30, 40K a month because they're using it as lead gen. Yeah, go ahead.
With solving a problem, are you advising that perhaps we look at it at a more high level?
Yes.
Like, maybe I want to help a single mom be able to have the time to spend more time with her daughter. And how I can solve that is with teaching her how to make online passive income, maybe through the means of Kindle publishing or through other means with passive investing.
Yes. So that avatar is a perfect example. So the first question she's going to ask is, how can I make passive income? Right? You have to educate her on how to act. Like, is it FBA? Is it Kindle? Is it affiliate marketing? Is it starting an agency? Then the next question is, can I even do it? Right? That's going to be, so you have to be really micro on it. And if you understand, sit down, put yourself in her shoes, and go through all the self-doubt. I know that if I asked you guys right now to sell a $2,000 product, you're not confident. So there's no reason for me to sit here and talk to you guys about how to design a $3,000, $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month package, because I know you guys aren't confident enough to even sell that, right? I know today that you guys, this is your biggest sticking point, is you don't even know who you're selling to. You don't have the longevity to do it. So I'm better off doing this right now. So to get back to your answer, absolutely, you don't have to sell her a book. You just have to figure out what modality or what solution you can give her that will move her along on her journey, on her buyer path. Because eventually at some point she's going to invest in herself, she'll buy a course, a training, and if you've led her down that path in a perfect way where she's consuming your content, consuming your books, whatever it is, at some point you can actually deliver that value. But it doesn't have to be another book, right? Again, she may want to fly down for, something like this. You don't have to shove a book down her throat in order to actually give her value. That's it, I think. How much time do I have? I'm good, yeah? Okay. There was somebody that had the Rubik's Cube book. Is there a microphone? This is a good, I'll just back this up here. Oh, I can't back it up. Can you put the last slide up again? Okay, so the Rubik's Cube book. A lot of people are thinking about Rubik's Cube like, oh, okay, I'm going to do a Rubik's Cube book for beginners, then how to solve the Rubik's Cube in under 5 minutes. what was the communication we had about the actual customer avatar? Who are you actually selling to?
The thing we talked about was actually the person and what they're looking for. So we discovered that the person is actually looking for like mind improvement, like quick things you can do to get your mind like I guess like a mental exercise kind of thing.
Yeah,
right?
100%. So I reverse engineered. I said, like, okay, if I was to build a 7-figure business on Rubik's Cubes, most people like that's impossible. There's no way, right?
Right.
So the question became, okay, what is the actual outcome? For some people, yeah, it might be like, oh, let's solve it and impress my friends. But at its core level, you could sell it as a mind development company, targeting people that are ages 35 and plus, let's say. I don't know how many of you guys can solve a Rubik's Cube, but you would be interested in keeping your brain sharp.
Right.
I think everybody could agree that's something that you'd be interested in. So the Rubik's Cube book, you could potentially capture their name and email. You were actually really good at this. So what would be the next step? So the Rubik's Cube happens. They get the book on how to solve the Rubik's Cube in 5 minutes.
Right. Then the next step would be to form a relationship. Not only stay there, but offer possibly other exercises they can do at home that will also get their mind and a quick exercise. Then you could also explain a story, personal story of what you do daily to get your mind on the right path, and possibly later then sell them something else or
Sure.
sell or promote another book.
So if I was to send an email the day after and say, hey, this simple brain exercise can help you with better memory. If somebody bought that Rubik's Cube book, guaranteed they're going to open that email because you already know they're interested in that sort of thing. Then you could sell them to a monthly program where it's like, hey, here's the 5 puzzles you can do a month that will keep you sharp. There's continuity programs that are available out there. There's affiliate marketing opportunities. You could be selling, it's endless, but this is my point. Instead of looking at it on the front end of like, hey, I'm selling a Rubik's Cube book, ask yourself the question, how can I sell longer? How can I sell deeper? And then ultimately, how can I put this? It's the relationship side of Kindle, I think, is what's missing right now. And at its core, it's because you guys are not putting them first. You're worried about the keywords. You're worried about the technical aspects. If you could rewind it and just ask yourself the who question, what I can deliver, and how I can deliver it, honestly, it will make your business super easy and super narrow focused. One person's gonna have 100, 200, 500 problems. There's no reason to focus on acquiring new clients. Just sell deep with them. Just keep solving their problems. It is the laziest and easiest way to sell. And the best part is you own that relationship long term. Nobody else is doing this. Really, they're not. They're really, really, really not. And I don't know if anybody has aspirations to be thought leaders. It's the same thing. It's that transfer of authority. It's that connection. That's why all of you guys are here. It's not because Emeka sold you anything. It's that he understands your guys' problems and you felt like you're going to get value coming here. Because he understood exactly where you guys were at, and this connection that he's created here is what's going to have you guys come back again the next time, or buy another product, or buy another course, or refer him. So I'm going to wrap it up. I think you guys kind of got the gist of it, but just ask yourself that question. Who is my absolute ideal client? Who's going to spend the most money? Who's going to spend, their relationship is going to be the longest, and the biggest thing, who I can add the most value. Somebody that's broke, a beginner, doesn't have a lot of money to spend. So if you're trying to build a 7-figure business, why are you focusing on them? You should be focusing on somebody that actually has money, that wants to make a big difference and a big impact in their life. That's it.
Thank you, D1. All right, we'll take a really, really short break. Get up, stretch, grab coffee, and then we will get going with a quick Q&A session on accounting basics.